Welcome to Zengage Yoga. I'm Bee, and this is Bird of Paradise. Take whatever transition you need to find extended side angle. I'm taking Vinyasa, high plank to low plank, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Stepping through, finding extended side angle, placing the bent front knee on that shoulder. Find a bind behind the back, straighten the shoulders, step the back foot up to meet the bended leg, and forget about the bended leg over that shoulder, and ground down into that other foot, finding stability, straightening that grounded leg. Then once you straighten your heart and open your shoulders, then extend the bent knee. You can flex your toes, you can point your toes. First stability, then mobility. Come on down, back to extended side angle, and go for the other side. Extended side angle. Find your bind. Back leg step up. Rise up slowly, stacking the knee on the ankle, the hip over the knee, extending the spine, pointing the tailbone down, long in the neck, then extend the leg after you open your heart. Flex the toes, point the toes, come on down, back to extended side angle, open out, and finish however you'd like. Namaste.